It's been a really great couple of weeks. Today I'm traveling home to Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. I'm really excited to see my family and go home for the holidays. Bye, Florida. Hello. Hi, Lily Dot. Off to a good start. There was something wrong with the plane, so we didn't leave. We deplaned, so now I'm just waiting, and my next flight is in an hour and 10 minutes, and the flight from here to that location is an hour and 10 minutes, so I'm definitely gonna miss my connection. I don't really know what's happening, but we'll figure it out, I guess. Made it! A little late, so I missed my flight, so they put me on the later one. I was stressed for a while that I wasn't gonna make it, but I'll just get there 3 hours later than originally planned. So that's okay.
Please stand clear of the doors. The train is arriving.
Made it to Chicago. One more flight to go, third flight of the day. I have a long way to walk, and my flight already started boarding. We'll see how this goes. I made it. It's almost 6:30 p.m. I basically left my house at 5:30 a.m. Should I show you the room before I make a little bit of a mess of it? It's actually quite nice. It feels like a little studio apartment. Kitchen? Little lounge, little desk, TV, bed, and a nice bathroom. Uh-oh. Pepper explosion. Oh no. At least I have a yummy soup. I did some kale, zucchini, carrots, and white beans. We're in Omaha. I'm gonna head over to the theater soon for a sound check, and then we have our first show tonight. Did my little test. Negative. Let's do it. I almost wish I had my bigger jacket. It's chilly. Oh my god. Oh my god. This wind's gonna knock me over. Holy crap. Found it. Ta-da. I gotta find the stage door. Aha! Where there's a truck, there's a door. Hi. Thanks. Ta-da! check out the bathroom. Ooh. Oh my god. What? Somebody left a poop in here. So it looks like all of these light bulbs are burnt, except for 2. Interesting. Sound check? Check. I got dressed. I'm pretty much ready. I just gotta put some jewelry on. Let's do a musical. I feel like this week's gonna be kind of boring. There's not a whole lot to do in Omaha. I mean, I'm gonna go to my hotel, do a show, back to the hotel, show. Like, nothing too exciting. I mean, maybe all these vlogs are boring, but I should do a Q&A. You should send me some questions and I'll interview everyone. Intermission snack supersedes. Omaha is bringing it. The audience here is amazing. Best we've had so far. Hello. I'm just having some soup. So earlier I did some yoga and it felt really good. It feels so funny to say this and I never thought I would sort of get to this point, but I did the session and at the end there was a meditation portion. And for the first time ever, it just like, it clicked. I had like an aha moment, like a yoga epiphany. Also just the way the light was sort of like shining through the window here, it was a magical experience. Anyway, I'm just eating some dinner and I've been here editing and my SD card has failed me again. It's pretty frustrating, but not the end of the world. Anyway, just an update. Cheers. What are you having for dinner? The light bulbs work today. Ah! Good afternoon, folks. I'm gonna go for a little walk. It's not too cold today. It says 2 degrees, so not bad. I'm gonna go for a walk and see if I can find a sticker. I think there's a gift shop like a 10-minute walk away, so let's go sticker hunting. They have scooters here. I should take one. These are so fun. Love me some cobblestone. I found a sticker. Nebraska, a little rainbow. Cute. There's a cute little shop called Made in Omaha. They had all kinds of stuff from like clothing to food and everything in between, all made locally, so that's really nice. Hi, Rob.
Oh, hey! What's up?
How's it going?
Have fun GoProing.
Bye. Shall we apply the sticker? Sweet! My hip has been acting up. It's been really painful. Krug, one of our awesome stage managers, left me a foam roller and some little sticky pain relievers. I thought this was fun. He's the best. What are you doing New Year's Eve? It's New Year's Eve. We're doing a show. Let's go. I made it. I almost slipped and fell twice. I don't know why I chose today to wear these shoes. I mean, I do know why. I want you to look cute. It's New Year's Eve.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! There's a snowstorm out there today. It says wind chill. It feels like minus 29 right now. I'm not prepared. There are strong winds of 35 miles per hour, and it says that you can develop frostbite on any uncovered skin within 30 minutes. Holy moly. Good morning. I think this might be one of the smallest airports I've been to.